This is step by step on how to navigate the MAECI website, apply for a scholarship and also a university in Italy. Thanks for subscribing and welcome to my channel. If you haven't watched the previous video, it has full details on the Government of Italy scholarship and the links are also there. If you click on the first link, also linked below, it will take you to the website Study in Italy portal, and just below the Find Your Course button there is University Italy portal, which if you haven't gotten admission yet, you will click on it. But if you already got an admission to an Italian university, then you do not need to go through this procedure. Click on the three horizontal lines, then Study in Italy. Tap on what to study and it will take you to the next portal, which is search for a course. It depends on whatever you want to study. They are all listed there. You can also scroll to see different courses. Then once you've decided, key it in to find the universities offering the same. Next is where to study, whichever place you'd like in Italy, where to study. There are different regions and they are also listed below, and you can see. So you need to choose whichever you think will match you or whichever you think you like more, and you work with it. Next is information about living in Italy, which has also been described in different ways, from healthcare in Italy to all the documents you need, to the permits, to general practitioner, the passport, residence, study with citizens who are from other European countries, other cases, to private healthcare insurances, and everything else that you will need for your stay in Italy before you arrive. Next is first 10 steps to study in Italy. And this is a whole procedure from finding a program to doing your favorite course to your favorite region, and everything else is already listed here too. With all that, you can directly apply to any university and to a course of your choice. Back to the MAECI scholarship site, log in if you already have an account, but click register if you are creating a new account. Fill in your personal details. I'm just going to use a random name. I'm going to use Olivia, and a random surname, Crystal maybe. Date of birth, I'm also going to use a random date of birth and maybe choose 1996, and date of birth 6th June. I set it to that and head to gender, click on female, and of course a telephone number also. I'm going to choose a random one. Okay, that is fine. Now to citizenship, I'm going to scroll different countries and find whichever one my country is. You don't have to be living in that country currently, but as long as it's eligible and it's your citizenship, then that's fine. So I will just choose Kenya and move on to the next, which is date of birth, and I'll also choose the same. Choose Kenya. Okay, now to the next step. Fill in state of residence, which I'll also choose the same. I'll choose Kenya still, but choose the one which fits you. Next is place of birth. I'm just going to write Nairobi, which is also the capital city, and click next. This section is for uploading documents. I will choose a passport, and you can also choose identity documents. This is also a random number I'm going to use here. Be very keen to be putting the right details and confirm twice if you have to. Next is issuing authority, which I'm going to put the government of Kenya. After is the date of expiry. Check on the same document, and I'm going to choose a random one as well. Set the date, and then next is upload the document. I will upload my passport, and with that this page is done. We go to next. The credentials you want to use in the MAECI portal. The username, I will just use Crystal Olivia. You will notice the portal rejects this one immediately because I left a space in between. Using a complete name is okay, so I use Olivia. Next is my frequently used email, that is the one I'm using. So I'll just type in crystalolivia@gmail.com. Then next copy paste the Gmail, and after I choose a password, the password must have an uppercase, a lowercase, and numbers. After I accept the declaration and then verify I'm human, you can see it indicates success, and then I register. You can see there is a current application and history for those who are returning and current for those who are starting. Click current and enter your personal details, and next is course selection. Fill in all the details in this page also as required, and then select if your course is going to be in Italian or English. And next is now the scholarship application. You can see it has my nationality already. So fill in your CV, your qualification, transcripts, languages, motivational letter, and other documents. Can be employment reference, and at this stage you're pretty much done. Accept declarations, and then flip to the next page, which is submission. Good luck with your application, and I hope this was useful.